kickflip. You got a kickflip?
Do it.
Oh, you got 3 wheels?
Oh man.
When I got you, I got another wheel.
Oh man, pulled it out the bag.
Alright. Kickflip.
Yeah. Yeah, Daewon Song did.
Yeah. Does that count? I gotta do another one?
Yeah. Oh! Hey, you know what? Give him a board. Yeah, that counts, man. Dang. You did it with 1 wheel on. Daewon Song style.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, much love, much love. Keep skating for life. Wow, he did not just do that. Threw the wheel on and busted it. Oh my God. Yo, what's the deal? This is Chad Muska. I'm taking Eric Koston's place for... Do a kickflip. You got kickflip? Oh! What the hell is going on here? Supra was kind enough to give us a bunch of free gear. We're hitting the streets of Hollywood and we're gonna be giving out free stuff. Skaters, you never know when it might be your chance to do a kickflip. But first, we gotta get the Priuska hooked up real quick here. Gotta keep things looking smooth over here, you know? Can't get caught slipping in these streets. Yeah. Holly weird! What? Do a kickflip.
What up, son?
Yeah. Here, skater, 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 skater. Here, skater, skater, skater. Hey, do a kickflip! Can you do a kickflip? I got flipped off. We were stalking a skater, we just saw one. We were looking for the ever elusive street skater, not to be confused with the street transportator. Can you do a kickflip? Yeah, wait, one more try, one more try. He's gone. Should we track him down? Should we stalk him? This one's being elusive. Sometimes you have to stalk the prey. Want a t-shirt, homie?
Muska.
What up, homie? Yeah. You do a thing on the Berrics.
Yeah. You're doing it this time?
Yeah. What's your name?
Eugene.
Right on, Eugene. Pleasure to meet you, man. When I shook his hand, it felt like his arm popped out of the socket, like his bone wasn't attached to his hand or something. Do a kickflip. Yeah, you got it.
Fucking sucks.
You can do it on there. Oh! Yeah, he did it. It's official. First try. Here, take some gear.
See you on the Berrics, I guess.
Yeah, you know this. Unlock. What? Do a kickflip.
No, not right now. I gotta get to work.
Damn, lost another one. Do a kickflip.
You want me to do one?
Yeah.
What do you mean by kickflip? I don't know how to do a kickflip.
Oh, okay, next time.
I probably break my neck.
Can you do a kickflip?
What?
Do a kickflip. Let's see it. You got it.
Otherwise known as an ollie.
So.
Nice. What's your name?
Ruben.
Yeah, Ruben.
I'm like old school Tony Hawk fan. Like back when Tony Hawk and Christian Asoy were like in the game.
OG. Ruben's OG.
I'm an OG skater.
Tony Hawk. Hey, do a kickflip.
I'll try a heel flip.
Yeah. Hey, we'll give you a shirt for an effort. E for effort. Just do a kickflip.
Ooh, I can't do it, but I'll take a shirt.
I'm taking a place for Eric Koston today.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Y'all have a nice day. Appreciate
you
it.
too. We're lurking the Melrose alleys, looking for graffiti and skaters. Yeah, he did a kickflip. You already got it. What you know? Give us one more. Oh, nollie flipped on it.
Chad.
Yeah, that's what's up. We got some gear. What you need?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, skate for life, man. You got a kickflip? Oh! You want a t-shirt? Yeah, here you go. Can you do a kickflip? Yeah, Paolo, what up, homie? Do a kickflip. Oh! He did a half a flip. Whoa! Yeah, Paolo! What's up, everybody? Yeah. Back, streets back. All right. Do a kickflip. Do a kickflip. Hey, yo, do a kickflip. Oh, break it off. Oh, there we go. Here we go. You got a couple. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's gonna be on the Berrics. Share with the homies.
I watched that shit today, bro.
It's coming. Much love. Respect. Skate goat. What the hell is going on here? It's getting weirder. Can you do a kickflip?
Bro, you know I'm famous. Follow me on the gram. I rap. You want to see me rap? What's your name?
@DanielaShine on Instagram.
You want a free t-shirt?
Can I have something?
I'll try.
Can I have something?
I can, bro, but I still get a hoodie though. I tried. That jacket.
Can I have something?
Small, that's my size.
Next time.
DanielaShine on Instagram.
Holly weird it is, I told you. Hey, homie, do a kickflip, homie. One more. Oh! Heel flip. Yeah. You guys want some gear? Yeah, that's what's up. Here you got a t-shirt. Yeah. Right on, homie. Skate for life, homies. Superman over there, man. He's been in the sun so long, his red faded into orange. That wasn't Clark Kent, that was Clark Bent. You got a kickflip? Hey. Do a kickflip.
Here, it's Tabasco.
Oh, I'm good right now. I'm good.
I know you like the thick, slim shit.
Is he out here? Yeah. Can you do a kickflip? Yeah. Here you go, homie. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, thank you guys.
Anybody got a kickflip? You got a kickflip?
Just out here looking cool, man.
Oh, you just got the style? You just representing the style? There we go, there we go. On the phone too, damn.
Talented right here.
Hey, we're doing do a kickflip. You ever seen that?
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, oh, we got more. Oh, here we go, here we go.
Hey, yo, that's Chad Muska though?
Respect.
Hey, yo, thank you for everything you've done, bro.
Much love, much love.
Real, much love.
Much love and respect. Enjoy your day. Hey, yo, do a kickflip. One try, one try. Oh, you got it, you got it. Have you done it before?
No.
Here's a little something for a try now.
Thank you.
Right on, keep practicing. Next time you see us, you're gonna have it. Do a kickflip. Yeah, you can do it, you can do it. You guys want some free gear? Have you seen the episode, Do a Kickflip?
I've seen some.
You seen it? Yeah. All right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Keep practicing, so next time we come through, you're gonna break one off. Man, wow, what a crazy day of doing a kickflip, driving around Hollywood. I don't even know what to say. It was a freak show. We got to see skaters, we got to see Superman, we got to see three-wheeled kickflip. What an epic day it was, and such an honor to be able to do this. Thank you, Koston. Thank you, Chase. Thank you, Berrics, for allowing me to be the host of Do a Kickflip today. Peace out.